The ingredients are orange, pear, mango, kiwi, and grape. And then for the dressing is 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 3 tablespoons of yogurt, 3 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk. And then for the topping is 4 strawberries, and then cheese cheddar. And then we prepare a bowl. Before we start, we will use the glue first. And then let's start with the dressing. We put the mayonnaise. And then we put the yogurt. Then the condensed sweetened milk. Okay, after that we mix it until smooth. Okay, I think this is enough. Okay, we will finish after this, and then we will continue by the fruits. The first is we will put the pear. And then the orange. And then the mango. And then we'll put the kiwi. And the last is the grape. Okay, now we're done with the fruits, and then now we will put the dressing. Okay, I think that's enough. And then mix it. We will put the topping. For the first, we will put the cheese. Now we grate the cheese. We grate the cheese to taste. Okay, I think that's enough. And then we will put the strawberry. I think this is finished and this is delicious. This is the result of my fruit salad. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. Bye. Bye.